See what we got. This is an awesome house. It really is. Tell you what, folks. You want to know how awesome it is? Let's go take a look. All right, so what we have here is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story home on a slab. It is awesome. This house was under $250. And so when I tell you it's a gorgeous home, it is a gorgeous home. So as we see here, we've got the living room, right? We've got a half bath right off of the living room. Get in here. I'll turn the light on for us so we can see. Right, so we get a half bath off the main living area. And we've got we've got a kitchen, dining room area right here, right on the other side of the fireplace. And we've got an open kitchen, right, with solid surface flooring, that's LVP flooring. Plenty of cabinet space, plenty of daylight coming in through the sliding glass door, which features a great view into a semi-private backyard. This is awesome. This home has a 1-car garage, which is awesome. Okay, let me take a look in here. Out here is where they have the water heater. Up the code. This is awesome. So let's go take a look upstairs. Like I said, it's a 2-story. As we come to the landing, we look to our left, we've got 1 bedroom, which is the master. Master's to the left. Sort of in front of us is bedroom number 2. Then directly in front of us we have the full bath, right? We'll take a look at that real quick. Full bath. And then we have the 3rd bedroom, which is a great bedroom. What I really love about this bedroom is the walk-in closet, which is awesome. The 2nd bedroom does have a closet. It's just not as large as the 3rd bedroom. But again, these are nice sized bedrooms. Okay. Now let's go take a look at the master, which features high vaulted ceilings, right? Plenty of space in here for a king size bed with dresser, chest, all that. This is a huge area, right? And again, I want to point out, definitely a lot of sunlight. We've got that window there. We've got another window there. So you get plenty of sunlight in the morning. Then as we go into the private ensuite of the master, we've got a garden style tub. And then we also have large sink with lighting. And we've got, of course, toilet, things of that nature, but also it features its own large walk-in closet. I am excited about this property. This is awesome. And so that's the house. This is awesome. I'm excited for the buyers. We close on this thing in less than 7 days. And let me turn this thing around because I want to talk to you. If you're out there and buying a home is something that you really, really would like to do, it doesn't cost anything to talk about it. Find out from a professional what your options are. Don't ask your friends and your family. Don't ask the internet if it's a good time to buy. Find out for yourself, right? Because your home is waiting on you, and no one is going to tell you when it's a good time to buy for you. All right. Hey, Make sense? Call me. Talk to you soon.